Hello friends, welcome to youtube.com Dr. Vet channel. I am Dr. P.R. Patel, Professor Head Veterinary Medicine. Today we see an important disease, viral disease, infectious bovine rhinotracheitis. In part 1, we will study synonyms, introduction or definition, etiology, epidemiology, susceptible host, and pathogenesis of important viral disease, infectious bovine rhinotracheitis. Infectious bovine rhinotracheitis, in short, it is called as IBR. There are various synonyms. In some countries, it is called as viral bovine rhinotracheitis because there is inflammation of nose, inflammation of trachea. This is a serious inflammation, rhinotracheitis. Another synonym is red nose. Here in this disease, there is severe congestion and hyperemia of the nose. Very severe condition and swollen of the nose become fiery red. So it is named as red nose. Necrotic rhinitis, as there is a lesions, necrotic plaque on nasal bone, so named as necrotic rhinitis. Here we see the definition that IBR is an acute viral disease. It is highly contagious, spreads by contact, caused by bovine herpes virus 1. It is called BOHV1 or BHV1. Belongs to family Herpesviridae. It is a disease of cattle. It is a disease of cattle. It is characterized by high temperature, inflammation of nasal mucous membrane, severe rhinitis, inflammation of eye, keratoconjunctivitis. There are severe changes in the upper respiratory tract. Blockage of upper respiratory tract leads to dyspnea, inflammation of brain meninges and brain matter, meningoencephalitis, and abortion in the form of a stone. And there are pustular lesions in the vulva and in the vagina. Vulvovaginitis. The lesions are pustular. Etiology is the virus. Name of virus is bovine herpes virus 1. It is called as BHV1, family Herpesviridae. There are two subtypes of this bovine herpes virus, BOHV11 and BOHV12. These are DNA virus belonging to bovine herpes virus. Predisposing factors that help in development of disease is stress factors, stress during transport, and nutritional deficiency, especially selenium and zinc deficiency in the diet. Epidemiology. The IBR is widely prevalent in all parts of the world. In India, the disease is recorded from many states of India: Uttar Pradesh, Kerala, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Orissa, Andhra Pradesh, and Karnataka. Transmission is generally through infected feed and water. The spread of the virus is through ocular, nasal, and reproductive secretion and excretion of the infected cattle. This disease produces ocular changes, conjunctivitis, severe nasal mucosa damage, vulvovaginitis. So these secretions and excretion contain virus. Droplet infection is an important way of transmission, and inhalation route is a route of entry. There is venereal transmission also, transmitted by artificial insemination also. Introduction of newly infected animals may spread the disease into the area or a farm. Susceptible host, susceptible host cattle. All ages of cattle are affected. The recovered cattle remain carrier, but these animals spread the infection to other healthy animals. The disease is also reported in goat, swine, water buffaloes, and wild ruminants, and they may act as a transmission of disease. Dairy cattle and beef cattle are equally susceptible to the disease. Coming to the important part, pathogenesis. The virus enters in body through mostly inhalation or ingestion. Virus generally multiply in upper respiratory tract, means nose, larynx, and trachea. And the virus produce inflammation in nose, cause rhinitis, in larynx, cause laryngitis, in trachea, cause tracheitis. In the trachea, there is marked depletion of tracheal microvilli. Microvilli of the trachea are destroyed, and virus causes a pneumonic changes which is very fatal to the animal. A serious pneumonic changes. We continue here the pathogenesis. You know that the nasal mucosa harbors the viruses. From the nasal mucosa, the virus enters to the eyes through nasolacrimal duct, and in the eyes they produce inflammation of the eye and conjunctivitis, congestion of the cornea. There is vascularization of the cornea. From this nasal mucosa, the virus enters the brain. The route of entry is through trigeminal nerve. It reaches eyes through nasolacrimal duct. Virus reaches to brain through trigeminal nerve, and in the brain, virus causes meningoencephalitis, inflammation of meninges and inflammation of the brain structure and the symptoms of encephalomyelitis. The virus also causes changes in the placenta and fetus. It causes early embryonic death also. And virus causes abortion. It is called as abortion tomb because abortion occurs in a more than usual, more than normal. It is called as abortion tomb. When the abortion is at a very high rate, it is called as abortion tomb. So there are various forms of these viruses. There is when there is eyes, it is called ocular form. When it is brain, that is called a cerebral form. When it causes abortion, there is abortion form. The systemic form of virus causes high mortality in young calves. Friends requested to share this information of IBR to veterinary and veterinary friends and students. Requested to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much for observing this slide. Next time we'll come with another part of IBR. Thanks.